the one it is for Jacob. So now I can say welcome. Instead of user, you put a correct name there. So welcome. I can say welcome. You put a PHP tag. So if we want to use a PHP content, you should open a tag of PHP and close it. And here I will say $. I say $, for result. Oopsie, they've done there for result in form of array, which it is a first name, I guess. Yes, it is your first name. And concatenate, or can you concatenate with, how can you put, you can leave a space between two and copy.